Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your location on AliExpress account. So first we're going to go to AliExpress app. Then next we're going to click on the account section. Then next we're going to click on the settings on the top right corner. So we could do it two ways. So both of them are easy. So you guys could go back again. Then once you're here, you can click on the plug next to settings. Then you could choose from here. Or you could go back, as I told you, to the settings. Then you can click on ship to. Then you guys could select the country you want. So this is how you change your location. It's by changing where you're shipping it to. So as you can see, there are numerous countries here. You guys could change your location to there. So this is how we basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.